T20 Super 8 matches is begun. The match of today, West Indies has really broken the hearts of many sport lovers of their country and all over the world. They have not played like they can be or they could be. They played very normal game. The batting was also not good. It was below the average. The bowling is the worst part. And England has won the match easily, and it would like a one-sided match. And this is because of numbers. Numbers are everything. I am telling you, your numbers will give you the perfect performance, the absolute place in the world where you can stand like a, you know, raising head. And this is what the numbers have done for the Englandians today. So I have not still lost the hope of West Indies. They can be in the semi-finals. They can be in the Super 4 matches. I believe this. My numbers say. But let's see what the things will come out. The Group A is very easy, and the Group B is not easy for all the teams. Okay, this I can add. So now what I want to tell you about the today's match, Afghanistan versus India. This match will going to be tough for India, I am telling you. Or if the numbers changes, then this would be one-sided and India can easily take over. But I still believe that Afghanistan is having good numbers, and the team which, if suppose Afghanistan wins the toss, then they should opt for bowling, and if India win the toss, then they should go for batting. This I can add. And the top 2 3 batsmen, I don't think so. They should do wonders as the numbers are saying right now. So this is all what I want to tell you. And UEFA Euro, all the matches has gone correct yesterday. This is called the numbers magic. Every match has gone correct. UEFA Euro. So today are the Slovenia versus Serbia. I will go with Serbia. Denmark versus England. I would like to go with England. And Spain versus Italy. I would like to go with Spain. This I can add. So for the first match, Serbia versus Slovenia, I will give 27% for draw, and for the second match 42, and for the third match I would like to give percentage 42. Draw percentage I am telling you. And yes, the people those who have asked me for the horoscope, palmistry, numerology, the things are going on really well for everyone, and you are getting the reports. Yesterday I have delivered reports and you have praised it. Thank you so much. This is not me, this is the number which is giving you the correct result, and the numbers will do wonderful job for you, and your life will be going to be very positive. This I am telling you. So it's better go for your horoscope, palmistry, numerology. I always repeat this, and leave the sports as a sports lover. Okay, don't take it so hard. And I think very soon I will give you the winner. I think the T20 World Cup can be won by Australia, can be won by West Indies, South Africa. This I can add. Okay, but thank you so much.